Next example is reduce the equation of conic 5x square plus 6xy plus 5y square minus 10x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 to standard form and name the conic. That is, this is the equation of conic in general form, and we have to reduce this equation to standard form. So compare this equation with the equation x square plus twice hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What we have? A is 5, b is 5, 2h is 6, means h is 3, then 2g is minus 10, therefore g is minus 5, 2f is minus 6, and therefore f is minus 3, and c is minus 3. Okay. So then find the value of delta. Delta is what? Determinant AHG, HBF, GFC. And then that delta is what? 5. That is the values of A is 5, H is 3, G is minus 5, and all these values. So this is the determinant delta is equal to, so 5 in bracket minus 15 minus 9, because minus 3 and minus 3 plus 9. So minus 3, then minus 9 minus 15, and then minus 5 minus 9 plus 50, 25, 5, and 5 is what? 25. And then we have the determinant value of determinant is, this is minus 24, this is minus 24, and this is 16. And then after multiplication we have minus 120 plus 72 and minus 80. So answer is minus 128. Answer is minus 128. And this delta is what? Is not equal to 0. And therefore we determine AB minus H square now. So AB minus A is 5, B is 5, and minus H is 3 square, minus 3 square. So 25 minus 9 is 16. Therefore AB minus H square is greater than 0. And therefore the given equation represent ellipse. So this is the general equation of ellipse. Now we have to reduce this equation to standard form. What is the standard equation of ellipse? The standard equation of ellipse is in the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we have to reduce this equation to the standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 in this form. Okay. So in order to reduce this equation to standard form, first find center of the conic and shift the origin to the center of the conic. So what is the center of this conic or ellipse? The formula is what? HF minus BG divided by AB minus H square, comma HG minus AF divided by AB minus H square. So find the HF minus BG is this, and then HG minus AF is this, minus 15 plus 15 by 16, AB minus H square is 16. So we have the answer 1. This is 16 by 16, that is 1, and comma in round bracket 1 comma 0. So this is the center of the ellipse. Then shift the origin to the center of the ellipse, that is shift the origin to the point 1, 0. So x is equal to x dash plus 1, substitute x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. These are the formulas for shifting of origin, that is substitute x as x dash plus h, y as y dash plus k. What is hk? Hk is the new origin, means h is 1 and k is 0. So we have this x is equal to x dash plus 1, y is equal to y dash plus 0, means y is equal to y dash. Then the transform form of the given equation, the transform form of this given equation is what? Is 5x square. So is replace x by x dash plus 1 square plus 6x into x means x dash plus 1 into y means y dash plus 5 y dash square, y square means y dash square, minus 10 x value of x is x dash plus 1 minus 6 y dash, y value of y minus 3 is equal to 0. So replace x by x dash plus 1 and y is equal to y dash. We have this, and then after simplification, that is square of this bracket is this, then multiplication is this, square of this quantity, and then we have the answer after simplification 5x dash square plus 5y dash square plus 6x dash y dash minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. The given equation is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. So if you observe this equation, so in this equation, the terms x and y are removed from the given equation. So just there are the terms x dash square, means square of the x dash, square of y dash, and the term product term x dash into y dash, and one constant term. So in order to remove the terms x and y from the given equation, we shift the origin to center of the conic. Okay, so instead of all this calculation, we can directly write, directly obtain this equation number 2 by using this formula. What is this formula? A x dash square plus twice h x dash y dash plus b y dash square plus delta divided by ab minus h square is equal to 0. So by using, here is also the formula, a x dash square plus twice h x dash y dash plus b y dash square plus delta by ab minus h square is equal to 0. Right here is equal to 0. So this is in the place of, instead of this all calculation, directly write this formula and substitute the values of a, h, b, and delta and ab minus h square. We have this answer directly. So in the next problem, this is the we will apply the second method to obtain the equation second, that is the finding of center of the ellipse, and all these calculation we can apply the direct formula and obtain this equation number 2. Okay, in the next example. So either use this method, that is find the center of the conic and shift the origin to the center of the conic and then find the transform form, or apply the direct formula of this. This is the direct formula to obtain the equation number second in order to remove the linear term x and y. Okay, so now in order to remove the product term x dash y dash, we rotate the axis through an angle theta is equal to 1/2 tan inverse 2h divided by a minus b. So because the equation of ellipse in the standard form is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So in the standard equation of ellipse, there is the term x square, there is the term y square, and there is the term constant term 1. So here if we observe this equation second, so in this equation the first term is x dash square, then second term is y dash square, but the third term is what? X dash into y dash, and the fourth term is constant. So we have to only remove this term x dash y dash. And so in order to remove the product term, rotate the axis through an angle theta is equal to 1/2 tan inverse 2h divided by a minus b. So 1/2 tan inverse 2h is 6 and a minus b is 0, because 5 minus 5 is 0. A is 5, b is 5. And so 1/2 tan inverse 6 by 0, something divided by 0 is infinity. And tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. If you observe the table, then tan of pi by 2 is infinity, tan of 90 is infinity. So tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. And so we have the answer theta is pi by 4. So use the formulae of rotation. So what are the formulae for rotation? X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. But already there are the notation x dash and y dash in this equation number second. So use the formula x dash is equal to, right here, x dash is equal to x double dash cos theta minus y double dash sin theta, and y dash is equal to x double dash sin theta plus y double dash cos theta. So x dash is equal to, correction is there, x dash is equal to x double dash cos pi by 4 minus y double dash sin pi by 4, because theta is pi by 4, and y is x double dash, right here, x double dash sin pi by 4 plus y double dash cos pi by 4, y dash. And therefore x dash is cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. And so write that values. So x dash is x double dash divided by root 2 into 1 by root 2 means divided by root 2, y double dash divided by root 2, and y dash is x double dash divided by root 2 plus y double dash divided by root 2. The values of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 both are 1 by root 2. So the equation second becomes, or the transform form of the equation second becomes, that is substitute x is equal to this value, x dash is equal to this value and y dash is equal to this value. So we have 5, the x dash square means x double dash by root 2 minus y double dash by root 2 square plus 5 y dash square means this x double dash by root 2 plus y double dash by root 2 bracket square plus 6 x dash into y dash. So x dash is this value and into y dash is this value minus 8 as it is equal to minus 8. This minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the transform form after rotation through an angle theta is equal to pi by 4. So simplify this. Find the square of this bracket is what? 5 in bracket square of this bracket is what? X double dash squared by root 2 square is 2. Then its multiplication is 1 by 2 x double dash y double dash, and its double is what? Its double is x double dash y double dash. Just write x double dash y double dash. Don't write this minus root 2 plus y double dash square by 2. It's square. It's the minus term. Then multiplication of these two is x double dash y double dash divided by 2, and its double is, so don't write this root 2 here, don't write this root 2, y double dash square by 2 plus 5, its square is what? X double dash by 2 root 2 square is. Then 2 time multiplication of these two, 2 time multiplication of these two. So multiplication of these two is what? X double dash y double dash by 2, and its double is x double dash y double dash. Don't write this root 2 plus y double dash square by 2. Then plus 6. The multiplication of these two bracket is we have the 4 terms. What are that? This into this is x double dash square by 2. Then this into this x double dash by 2 into y double dash by 2 is x double dash y double dash divided by 2, this term. Okay. Then this term into this term minus x double dash y double dash by 2, this term, plus last term, not plus, minus y double dash square by 2. This is minus y double dash square, minus 8 is equal to 0. And so if we simplify these terms, then what is your observation? That is multiplying by 5 to these terms, we observe that these terms plus and minus get cancelled, this plus and minus get cancelled. So what we have? 5 x double dash square by 2, 5 x double dash square by 2 plus 6 x double dash by 2. So these are the terms of x double dash square, x double dash squares, 5 x double dash square by 2 plus 5 x double dash square by 2 plus 6 x double dash square by 2 plus these terms get cancelled. So y double dash square by 2. So what is the answer? 5 y double dash square by 2, then 5 y double dash square by 2, and minus 6 y double dash square by 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. So if you observe this equation, then this is free from x product term, x double dash square into y double dash square, all the terms get cancelled. Okay. So if we rotate this angle through an angle, this 1/2 tan inverse 2h divided by a minus b, then product term remove from the equation number 2. Equation number 2 in which the product term 6x dash y dash remove from the product, remove from the equation. So we have this, and so we have the 16 x double dash square by 2, 4 y double dash, this is 5 plus 5 plus it's 10 minus 6 is 4 y double dash square by 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. And then it is 8 x double dash square plus 2 y double dash square minus 8 is equal to 0. And then shift this 8 to RHS and divide throughout by 8. Then what we have? X double dash square 8 by 8 is divided by 1 plus y double dash square 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. That is y double dash square by 4 is equal to 1. By dividing throughout by 8, we have this equation. And this is in the form x double dash square by 2 by a square, y double dash square by b square is equal to 1. That is, this is in the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we write this equation in the form x double dash square, 1 means 1 square and 4 means 2 square. Okay. So this is the standard form of the conic or standard form of the ellipse. So what is the standard form of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this examples are these types of examples are very important. That is, and the question for 100% probability of asking these questions in the example in the exam. So for 6 marks, that is, reduce the equation of conic to standard form and hence name the conic. So in order to reduce the equation to standard form, first find delta, then ab minus h square, then shift the origin to its center, or directly write the formula that ax dash square plus twice h x dash y dash plus by dash square plus delta divided by ab minus h square is equal to 0. Find equation number 2, which is free from the terms, linear terms x and y. And then find theta by using this formula, 1/2 tan inverse 2a divided by a minus b, and rotate the axis, that is, find the transform form. And we have the general form, we have the standard form from general form. Okay. So next example for assignments, that 7x square minus 6xy plus 7y square plus 30x plus 10y plus 35 is equal to 0. The same question, that reduce this equation to standard form. Okay, so compare this equation with the ax square plus twice xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So what do we have? A is 7, twice b is 7, twice h is minus 6, therefore h is minus 3, 2g is 30, so g is 15, 2f is 10, therefore f is 5, and c is 35. Okay. Then find delta as AHG, determinant of the matrix AHG, HBF, GFC. So write the values of all these and find the determinant, that is 7. 35 into 7 is 245 minus 5 into 5, 25, and all these calculation. Minus plus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 35 into 3 is minus 105. Minus 15 into 5 is minus 75 plus 15 minus 15 minus 15 into 7, 105. Okay. And so after calculation, we have delta is minus 800. And so delta is not equal to 0. And then find AB minus h square. If delta is 0, then given equation represent pair of lines. But delta is not equal to 0, therefore find AB minus h square. And A is 7, B is 7 minus h is minus 3. H is minus 3. Its square is again plus 9. So 7 into 7 is 49 minus 9. That is 40 is greater than 0. This quantity AB minus h square is greater than 0. And therefore the given equation represent ellipse, or the nature of the conic is ellipse. And then now we have to find the equation number 2. That is, we have to remove the linear terms x and y from this equation. So in order to remove these linear terms x and y from this equation, find either follow this procedure, that is, find the center of the ellipse and then shift the origin to that center and then find the transform form, or directly, in order to obtain this equation number 2, directly use this formula, that ax dash square plus twice hx x dash y dash plus by square. The formula is this. Okay. After this, the given equation can be written as, okay, ax dash square plus twice x dash y dash plus by dash square plus delta by ab minus h square is equal to 0. Right here is equal to 0. So this is the formula to remove the linear terms x and y from the origin. This is the second method, actually, direct formula. So what do we have? A is 7, twice h is minus 6, b is 7, and delta is minus 800 divided by ab minus h square is 40 is equal to 0. And then we have 7 x dash square minus 6 x dash y dash plus 7 y dash square minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. The given equation is equation number 1, and this is the equation number 2. So instead of this procedure, if we have to obtain this equation number 2 directly, then use this formula, ax dash square plus twice h x dash y dash plus by dash square plus delta divided by ab minus h square is equal to 0. We have the direct answer, equation number 2, in which the product term removed, in which the linear terms are not present. Okay, so this is the equation. Now we have to remove the product term. So theta, we find theta. Theta is what? 1/2 tan inverse 2h divided by a minus b. That is 1/2 tan inverse 2h is minus 6. A and b both are same. 7 minus 7 is 0. So tan inverse infinity means again tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. So we have the answer 1/2 into pi by 2 means pi by 4. Then use the formula x dash is equal to x double dash cos theta minus y double dash sin theta, and y dash is equal to x double dash sin theta plus y double dash cos theta. These are the equations of transformations if the axes are rotated in the rotation transformation equation. Okay, so x dash, these two steps are wrong. Directly after this step, write this step. So x dash is equal to cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4. Directly value of the sin cos pi by 4, that is substitute theta is pi by 4, and then cos pi by 4, substitute the value of cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 as 1 by root 2. We have this x dash is x double dash by root 2 minus y double dash by root 2, and y dash is x double dash by root 2 plus y double dash by root 2. And then equation number, this equation, right, this is the equation number 2. This equation becomes, that is substitute x dash and y dash with these values. So 7 substitute x dash, value of x dash, that this bracket x double dash by root 2 minus y double dash by root 2 bracket square minus 6 this x dash into y dash, substitute the values, plus 7 y dash square minus 20 is equal to 0 by substituting value of x dash and y dash as these values. And then after squaring this bracket, we have this, after multiplication of these two brackets, we have these 4 terms, and squaring this bracket, we have these terms. And if you observe this x double dash, y double dash, multiplication, product terms get cancelled, all the product terms get cancelled. Okay, and then collecting the coefficient, the terms of x double dash square terms. So 7 x double dash square by 2. This is minus 6 x double dash square by 2, and this is plus 7 x double dash square by 2. Then plus in another bracket, collect the term 7 x y double dash square by 2. Then minus 6 minus become plus 6 y double dash square by 2, and then plus 7 y double dash square by 2, and minus 20 as it is equal to 0. And then 8 x double dash, this is 8 x double dash square by 2, because 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 plus 6 plus 7 is 20 y double dash square by 2 is equal to 20. Then divide by 20 throughout 20. So what we get? Actually this 8 by 2 means 4. 20 by 2 means 10. Then dividing by 20. So 4 by 20 is divided by 5, and 10 by 20 divided by 2. So this is the standard form of the given equation. This is what in the form. If you write the one more step, then it is what? X double dash square by root 5 square, y double dash square by root 2 square is equal to 1. Either write this step as a last step, or write one more step, that x double dash square by root 5 square plus y double dash square by root 2 square is equal to 1. And this is the standard form of the given conic, that is ellipse. What is the standard form of ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the standard form of the ellipse. So we'll see the same type of example in the next lecture, that is reduce the given equation to standard form.